gang, welcome back to another one of my videos. Thank you for tuning in yet again. In this video, I'm going to be styling my butterfly locks and give you guys ideas on how to style your hair too, because this style is just too cute and I know you don't want us to be wearing it in the same style. So we're going to switch it up. I'm going to give you guys some new hairstyles to just style them. So let's go ahead and get into the video. these styles. I really hope this video helped you guys, and if you try some of these styles, let me know. Tell me how it looks. Send me pictures to my DM so I can be like, okay, my subscribers is cute. Like, I want to interact with my subscribers. So I'll be having my Instagram on the screen somewhere. Feel free to DM me if you have any questions, if you have any concerns or anything like that. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, so you can be part of the Ari gang. You won't be Ari lame. And second, hit that big notification bell, because Ari got some good content coming soon. She got a new job, so I will be recording, so you don't want to miss that. And be beautiful, queens and kings, if you're watching this. I love you all so much. Mwah. Let's get to 300 subscribers.